They don't wait. They don't ask. When Aries wants you, everything accelerates. Their eyes lock on you like a target. The air crackles, and before you can think, the fire starts. There's no teasing, no soft opening. Aries doesn't seduce, they strike. In bed, Aries is fast, physical, and instinctive. They're ruled by Mars, the planet of war and desire, and that energy pulses through every move they make. Their kiss isn't an invitation, it's a declaration. Their touch says, "I want you now." They lead without hesitation and expect you to follow, or better yet, keep up. What they crave isn't just your body, it's your response. The way you match their heat, the way you give in without losing yourself. But here's the secret. Beneath all that dominance is a vulnerability they rarely show. Aries wants to feel wanted. They burn bright, but burn out just as fast if they sense disinterest. If you hesitate, they'll back off. But if you meet their fire, if you dare to challenge them, tease them, even slow them down, you become unforgettable. They're not gentle, they're not delicate, but they are present, fully alive in the moment, giving everything they have. And if you give it back, they'll make sure the experience leaves a mark, not just on your skin, but in your memory. So how is Aries between the sheets? Their heat, speed, power, and passion. They don't wait for magic. They create it, on the spot, with you as the spark. It's up to you whether you fan the flame or get consumed by it. Curious how your moon sign shapes your desire and rhythm? Get your 2 free gifts in the description: a Moon Rituals PDF and our signature digital moon and astrology planner, your personal map to the mysteries within. If this video lit a fire in you, like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, have you ever been scorched by an Aries? Or are you the one others can't forget? See you next time, and until then, keep looking to the stars.